Hello again, everyone. This is Tom from Roadrunner Garage back again. We're doing the light hot farm class. I believe we have 3 tractors in this. You can see we got a white field boss picking up right now.
White tractor called white.
Let's call it a white tractor, but it's actually silver. It said there was 3 tractors in this class. This is 8500 aka light hot farm class. There's 3 tractors. This is one of the 3.
Alright, here we go, baby.
It's a white 270 or 285. I'm not sure which model it is. One of the 2. I'm guessing he's going to keep that. That's a nice pull. He might keep it. He's going to keep that, but who knows? You never know. Sometimes they change their mind and don't keep it. And they pay for it. But we'll see what he does.
Put all 3 in, folks. We're just a little over. Got a ways to go yet. Fair's still going on. Fireworks tonight as well. The 50-50 drawing. You haven't got to be present. I suggest you do a ticket. We'll get over there and figure out how much it is, but there'll be plenty of food left. Alright, you're going to be running, I believe. And fireworks is tough. They're always worth staying for. So don't run home after full.
There should be 2 more tractors than where they are. There should be 2 more tractors in this class. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be 3 total. Yep, here we go. Here's got a Ford. Ford. I think it's an 8700, 9700. Ford 8700 hooking up here. White versus Ford versus I'm not sure what. It's like white versus Ford versus Ford. It's going to be a silver tractor or a blue tractor one in this class.
All that fried dough you're eating over here, well, that's all self-food. So yeah, we got it going on. When you got sugar on it, what's the name of it? Call my wife chicken farm food down there. So if you like the chicken farm, you go down to the chicken farm menu in the town. Go on in the boat, chicken farm. It's called chicken farm food. Down Pizza, downtown drive, oil classes, great business, vendor for years. I spend a lot of money down there, like everyone else in town. We love ourselves.
Yeah, Sal's makes good pizza. We had one Friday night. It was excellent. Just so you know, if you're ever in Deruyter, Sal's Pizza is a good place to go for pizza. Don't plug in for Sal's Pizza. Yes, I do.
Don't forget about Sal's Pizza. My wife eats it, you know, but well, we got the Dark Alley, folks. Now remember, the hot fire club, he showed up to that board. Ford 8700, Garrettsville, New York. Don Galley. Heard about the phone, told them. Signed up for Hot Fire Boys, they said, okay. Here's your number, good luck. Gotta be 292 feet.
Sure if he did at least. That's an issue. It's like he had an issue of some sort. A little fire going on. That's why we. Yeah. I think we're going to need a pullback tractor, folks. I think so. He broke something. Something broke. I think we need a pullback tractor.
replace, but a pretty expensive pole. Yeah. I'd say quite expensive.
Just want to say the most important thing here today is safety. We want everybody to be safe. That's the number one goal the firemen talk about. We want to be safe there.
Yep, that's why they have all the safety equipment. Yep, they're going to need a pull back.
All right, gotta get a tow tractor. Tow tractor out.
Yep, need a pull back. I had a feeling we did because something gave out. Yep, something broke. Overheated or something broke.
Good deal. You might not want the product, but that it'll look started.
Yep. Get second or third place, but it's going to be an expensive second or third place, looks like. Yep.
It's like model building. This tractor building is bigger scale, but it's still not a cheap hobby either way. Tractor building is not
Just
cheap.
so everybody knows, Dylan Cool coming out for the full tractor. We're looking for some speed dryer yet for the track. That's the attitude. They said, forget the speed dryer, we're just going to bury it. Sounds good to me. Same situation when you got a dead body. You know, take care of it. Hey, let's talk about Fredmore General Store in downtown Georgetown. Here's the backstory. Every little town got a Dollar General. This is the writer. It's in Corktown. Just across the line. The Georgetown folks said, we don't want no dollar store, we like Fredmore. So we kept the Dollar General out of Georgetown. One of the few small towns that did that. And of course, Fredmore is prosperous. And they find you a full. So if you go to Fredmore over in Georgetown, don't ask where the Dollar General is. They are the Dollar General. They make sandwiches, they have gasoline, they have coffee, they have ice cream, they have groceries, they have scratch-off. Somebody won 50 grand on a lotto ticket over there recently. Yeah, some more starts going on from downtown Georgetown. Oh, I feel great about these guys. Small family-owned operating business, right? Georgetown said, nope, we don't want the Dollar General, we want Fredmore.
So now we're waiting to see what we're going to do here. Yep, looks like our last one, Mother Ford's coming up the pole. We'll have to the class.
Talk about Jack Minority Chevrolet. Family-run dealership. All they know is 6,000 south of Four Corners up there. Right on 11, I believe. Sell cars, used cars, new trucks, new cars, service your vehicle,
box now.
detail your vehicle, all your Chevrolet. Jack Minority.
Got to eat it. Yep.
Great oil content in the world. Family owner operator. You have to see the commercials like eggs,
Need a man,
super country, that's my journey Chevrolet.
It's a long time
Not a
getting
big mega deal.
Unload them.
They'll take care of you over there. So thank you to Jack Chevrolet.
Oh, an 8010 hooking up here, folks. It's going to be a blue tractor or a silver tractor. That's one of the three. 32 for first, 268 for second right now. Let's see what this 8010 New Holland can do. Running up the sled here. sometimes they really, puller can position the sled where he wants it.
Kenny Burkett, last one in his class. Ava, New York. He's a farmer. Team members Mike Jones, Bill Secretary, Chad Merriman, Bomber Buell. I thought that name, Bomber Buell. Peter Jones, Mary Jane's wife, New Holland, 8 pounds. Got Poland, guys in Poland.
Guy's been at it for a long time, it sounds like.
Got 5 kids, 8 grandkids, 2 great grandchildren. I like this guy. Just enjoy going to what he's doing. He's old and fine. Kenny Burkett. Perfect. I like this guy. Ava, New York. I'm a real girl Kenny. The whole family man. Mary Jane and wife. Come on, Kenny, here we go! New Holland, baby!
You got it. You took the lead, folks. There's your winner. There's your winner, chicken parm dinner.
I know I like this guy. Kenny Burkett. Ava, New York.
New Holland 1, White 2, Ford 3rd.
That's your winner, Kenny Burkett.
Nice
Second
pull.
place, Rick Horvath. John Brown. In the Jack Brown Fire, third.
That's it for the 8500 Hot Farm.
Coming out today.
Might be a semi-truck class, I'm not sure, but for now, meet me.